Quand la musique t'appelle, laisse-toi te bercer par sa quête d'essence. Écoute-la aveuglément, ton âme t'en sera reconnaissante. Laisse-moi te regarder sur les traces de nos anciens nous marchons, sur les sons tortueuses et accidentées, nous avançons. L'amour de la reconquête de nos valeurs enfouies en nous. Retourne vers le passé, nous voulons que nos liens soient. Car celui qui marche sans avoir son histoire dans la tête, et comme un faible oiseau surpris par une forte tempête, il n'avance pas et il regrette un grand pas jusqu'à ce que définitivement s'arrête ses pas. Autant que sans ses racines, un arbre n'est rien. Avec la méconnaissance de nous-mêmes, nous ne sommes rien. Congo, donne-nous la force de tes eaux puissantes, la sagesse de tes femmes vivantes, la grandeur de tes majestueuses forêts, le caractère admirable de tes épopées. Congo, construis-toi près des forces. Prends la main de tout dans le panier quand tu touches le fond. Tu es un massa, tu es un téké, tu es un zoulou, tu es un peur, tu es un malinqué, tu es un Bantou, tu es un Bantou.
Buona mère, rogacia milord, garo marca, mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences et ensemble we are one, you and I. Let's stick together. Lego kolanda tenzela ya mabe malembe malembe tokukoma mokili tondi makambo ebele ya sala na kimya eloko nyonso komakana ngonga nango.
Kiambote tatale.
Kiambote tatampanzo.
Tunama vimpi tata.
Tunama vimpi yeyeno
Yeyete tunama vimpi. Okay. Let us Yamleto Kaisa Nkangu. Hello. If you are watching, we thank you. This is Kikongo class. Congo is the language. Congo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Okay, that one you have to leave early. Yes. Kiwagwe. Kiwagu tati, Iwawa.
Wow.
Iwawa. Let me show my fun. Quick. Kunanzolo no mavimpi tata. you just repeat my sentence, at least the first two words. Kunanzo luna mavimpi, yeah?
So what am I going to say?
Kunanzo yes. Kunanzo luna mavimpi. Oh yeah, see. Kunanzo, you know what I mean. Kunanzo, at home, are you good? Are you well?
Yeah. No, I thought you said okay. That I was wondering. I didn't know if you said okay. Yes,
Kunanzo,
I am.
Kunanzo no vimpi. Yeah, you answer.
Yeah, I'm at home in what?
Kunanzo, you answer.
So what I say?
Just repeat. You start repeat my sentence. Kunanzo, yes.
Kunanzo.
Yes, good.
Oh, wait, Kunanzo. Okay.
No. Carry on. Kunanzo. You need your color, the verb color.
Kunanzo ngina.
Kunanzo no vimpi. Kunanzo, we are well. Then you just try to.
Okay, so I would say
fine.
So it's Kunanzo tuna.
We sorry.
Tuna.
Yeah, tuna mavimpi. Yeah.
Okay, kunanzo tunamvimbi. Okay.
Yeah, just say it. Totally. Don't worry. I'm sorry. I'm trying to find my file. This is live. It's always like this. Which one is my file? Give me 2 minutes. Where's my file? Okay. I see my file is here. Okay, got it. It is here. Kunanzo tunao vimpi. Yeah, just try. Kunanzo tunao vimpi.
Okay,
You total,
kunanzo
yes?
tunamvimbi. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, quick question. Tata trying to translate into English. Then, no. In Kikongo. This egg, do you like it? Yes, indeed. Do you like it? Yeah, full sentences.
Okay. This egg.
Yes, we just try to apply the Concord object Concord and the,
Yeah. I'm trying to.
this is matching.
Okay, so
Yeah, Diaki.
Diaki Kiaki.
Oh, go back to them, please. Diaki, remember, first syllable. That's why we focus on this one. They're matching.
Diaki. Okay, Diaki. Is it Diaki? No.
Yeah, Didi. Yeah.
Didi. Okay, Diaki.
Didi.
I don't know why.
Okay, no. I mean, when I say D, I mean the syllable, first syllable of the word. Yeah.
Okay.
Diaki.
Yeah. Okay. Diaki.
Ozolanga.
Dio.
Yes, with the object Concord. Yes. Okay. Because let me rush because we're leaving early. We just have this spray this. You got what you have you received it totally? This one. Yeah. I've just sent it.
You sent something earlier today.
Yeah, PDF. Yeah. Format.
Yeah.
This is it. Yeah, this is the one. Yes. The reason I've written Portuguese in French because to make it easy to understand. Yes. 20. Oh no, sorry. 20. Let me try to say something here because people that can you see my
Yeah, I can see it. 20. Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. I'm saying imperative mood. 20. I did send you audio as well. Yeah. 20. Louis. Yes. Can you hear the tone, the pitch? Yeah. 20. Louis.
Okay.
Sorry. Somehow my phone is moved. Let me just put it here. 20. Louis. Imperative mode. But having said that, we need to take into account. I don't know, something is going wrong here. My file is my slide is moving. Yes. Take into account variants, but 20. Sorry, I'm not moving my file. It's moving. Yes. 20.
Okay.
Easy. We go, yeah, imperative, yeah.
Yeah.
Vamos nós. I think something moving my mouse. It's moving. Yes. 20. Yeah. Louis.
Okay, so it's the 20.
Yes.
Louis.
Yes. Oh, somehow my file is moving. I don't know what's happening. Okay. I think it's my mouse. Okay. 20. Luendi. No. Yes. 20. Louis. Yes.
20. Louis. Okay.
Something's wrong. Let me just do this. I think just switch it off. Yes. Okay. 20. Can you read 20? 20 is twisted.
20. Louise.
Yes. Sorry, something wrong with my computer. I don't know. Yes. Anyway, this is your first slide, second slide. Okay, 20. Twenda, remember Twenda? Kwenda, yes? Kwenda.
Yes.
To go. Quiz to come. 20. We go. This is you sing a future, but informal. Let's say informal. I'm not sure if really you could say informal, but let's call it informal. Isinga quiza. You familiar with that, Tatalia? The other.
Yeah.
The other form, the traditional one, formal. See, people would say see. We say see, other would say no. Say, singiza. Same thing. Remember, in Kikongo, the last vowel, E or typical example, ame, people say ami, ama, is. Are you with me?
Yeah, no, I know. Okay.
If you say mpangya me, can you translate please?
My relative.
My friend.
My friend.
No, you are sorry. Nkundiame is your friend. Nkundi your friend. Yes, Mpangiame. Let's call your relative, but there's a proper word for relative. Kikong. Pangiame. Yes. Pangiame, Pangiami, Pangiama, same thing. Total, yes?
Yeah. Okay. Pangiami. Okay.
I mean, Pangiame, Pangiami, Pangiama.
So, okay, those are all formal.
No, it's same thing. I mean, you're saying the same thing. It depends on the variants.
Okay.
My friend, Nkundiame, I can say Kundiame, Kundiama, Kundiami. Yes, that's it. Okay, informal. Singiza. I'm going with C because it matches the singer. Yeah,
okay.
Singiza, Siwiza, Sikeza, Situiza, Siluiza, Sibeza. Is it clear? You need to memorize this. This is the informal. I mean, this is the day-to-day lingo. Yeah. Question.
Okay. No question.
Singiza. Siwiza. You got four more. I can see your question. I can read your mind. You're going to present perfect. Remember this?
Yeah.
Present indicative. Yeah, because Nezo. This is Gikanga. Singiza. Siwiza. Sikeza. Situiza. A bit of twist, but at least with the third person singular, we have K, yes? Model pattern, yes? K, yes? Sikeza. T-U, Luba, yes? T-L, Sibeza. Where should it
No.
Singiza, Siwiza, Sikeza, Situiza, Siluiza, Sibeza. Okay.
Can Can Louisa could also be spelled LWI, right?
You're right. No man should read that. I mean, according to linguists, they're saying that they say that you shouldn't have two vowel together. Yes.
Okay.
I mean, there's a rule I forgot. At least you and I, because they can't be together. Like you put you instead of you go for W. Totally, yes.
Yeah.
W here, yeah. W.
Okay.
Singiza. This one. Kwenda, yes. Singenda.
Okay.
Singenda, siwenda, sikenda, twenda, sitwenda, silwenda, sibenda. Let me see if we can find a pattern here. At least the plural is fine, yes?
Yeah.
Plural. Here having the nasal, strange.
So can I ask you something? So when they say like when they say like ngizambote, that's different, right? It's not the same giza.
It is the same coming, yes.
Oh, it is. Okay.
But it is, yeah, the meaning is like to come, yes.
Okay.
You're right. Well done, yeah. Yeah. Ngizambote means welcome. Okay.
Welcome, yeah.
Good coming, quote unquote, yes. Ngiza. Okay. Wiza. For Wiza, Ngiza, Wiza. Remember on present perfect indicative we have Ngizidi, yes? Wizidi.
Yeah. Ngizidi. Yeah.
Singiza. Singenda, yes? Siwenda.
Is that Ngenda or Ngenda?
Ngenda, yes, Ngenda.
Ngenda.
Not Ngele.
No, Ngenda. Okay. Ngenda.
Yeah. Singenda, yes. Following the rule, according to linguists, I shouldn't write I here, should be Y. Yes? Two vowel, I and E. Yeah. We'll go back to this next time. Okay, we have 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Yes?
Yes.
Can we talk?
Yeah.
Small talk. Can we have small talk?
Okay.
Yes. Someone has written. Monodrade, tout temps de monodrade. Yes, certainly. Okay. Kiambote kia kutata.
Kiambote kia kutata.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, you're putting back to me, yes? Yeah, you're throwing back to me. Yeah. Okay, Mavimbi tata.
Mavimbi tata. Yeah, no way.
Now I'm trying to go informal. Okay, Mavimbi tata, yes? Mavimbi tata.
Yeah, Mavimbi tata. Yeah, no.
You top of Mavimbi. Oh, Diambote. Ema dia mama ozola ngamo.
Okay.
You. Yes.
I missed it. Ozola.
Ema dia mama. We're talking about the food you like.
Yeah.
Madia mama ozola ngamo.
Okay. I know exactly what you said. Then I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna spell.
Ingeta.
Ingeta.
Mm. Mm.
Do I?
Toma, but use your pronoun. Ingeta.
Okay. Ingeta. Those. Well,
Toma, but I'm trying to help. I'm giving you Toma, but you need to use your personal pronoun first. Personal pronoun first, singular. Because I'm asking, Omadia mama uzolanga mo? You, yes. Then you answer, ingeta.
So Ingeta.
Your pronoun, itoma, yeah. Itoma muzola.
Okay, Itoma.
Itoma muzola. Remember the standard pronoun.
Yeah.
I'm talking Congo. Let's say English. I, you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Itoma. Okay. Itoma Mozolanga.
Zolanga. Yes. Jambote. Jambote mvimba. Elukulwalu. Uzolanga lo.
Elukulwalu. Okay. Ingeta.
Object concord. Remember L, yes? Luku.
Okay. Luku.
L, remember L, class, I think, class 11. Lukulwalu, yeah? Luku.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Ingeta itoma.
Okay. Ingeta itoma.
Lozolanga.
Because of the Lozolanga.
Yeah, okay. Rusty, totally.
Yeah. Yeah.
Madezo mama uzolanga mo.
Madezo mama uzolanga mo.
Ingeta, you answer Ingeta.
Ingeta.
Itoma mo, be careful, M.
Oh, Itoma, Madezo, yeah. Itoma mo Zolanga.
Yes.
Okay, because of that. Okay.
Elongolwalu uzolanga lo.
Okay, Itoma lo. Ingeta, Itoma lo.
Yes, Itoma lo zolanga.
Zolanga.
Yes. Ekimbundi kiaki uzolanga. You give me an object then. Ekimbundi kiaki uzolanga. Kimbundi, K-I, yeah?
Kimbundi, Itoma Kyo?
Yes, well done. Okay, I think we're done for today. Yeah, we're going back to it totally. You're doing well. At least this is it. Coming from Baba Kondekwa. Great man, yes. We are standing on giant shoulders, totally, yes?
Yes, this is it's a lot. It's I just wish I had time where I can just travel and spend time
apply try
just
to practice.
speaking,
and
practicing.
Yeah, you're right.
But maybe it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen soon. I'm
sure. Who knows? That time, thank you very much for your time.
No, thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay, see you.
Yo.
Timba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomou, Villiers-Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Masuti, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Nikoro. Mamalandu. Magwar Kumpo. Philip Kamango. Memba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Anjoli. Mutufu ina yaya.
Politiza Keita Kulama
Serge Ndodo na San Diego.
Yeah,